Okay, so guys, I just got back from shopping. Okay, and I got this local pear, our local pear, ube. Oh God, well, guys, when I saw this, I was like, no, 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 I must buy this. But if I tell you how much only these 4 pieces of pear cost, almost 13 pounds. That is over 26,000 naira. Njaru ube nani. Okay, so today I'm going to make corn, pear, and coconut. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so this is the fresh corn, very fresh, very, very fresh and tender. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'll be peeling the corn, but before I do that, I'll just go and put some water in the kettle so it will start boiling. Okay, so while that is boiling, I will now go and start peeling the corn. Okay, so you just peel it slowly. You see why I said this is very fresh and tender. You can see how fresh this is looking. If this, I don't know what this is called, guys. If that thing there, it's dry or looking brownish, then know that the corn is no longer a fresh corn. Yeah, so I'm just going to peel the corns and then boom in the pot. Okay, all right. So meanwhile, at this point, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I still remain your one and only Elamas are upcoming in the house. I didn't forget to greet you guys. Yeah, so the corn is ready and we are going back to the hot water. So the water is ready. I'm just going to pour it in the pot. For those of you that know, most times when I want to cook, I'll first of all put water in the kettle and let it boil. I will boil water first and keep it by the side. So as I'm cooking, I'm using hot water. Yeah, so that it will start cooking immediately. So I just added some salt. Just add to your taste. You can boil it that way if you don't want to salt it. Then that's the pear. Then we'll go over to the coconut. Okay, guys, this coconut, I think this coconut is the only cheap thing I bought. So the way I break my coconut, I'll just give it a tap, just like you're seeing me do here. I'll just give it a tap. Don't just go and break it straight. But no, it will be difficult for you to bring it out from the shell. So that is it. Okay, yes, that's nice. So I'll keep tapping it. You see, it's just the shell is just gradually falling off on its own. So that's the essence of giving it that tap first before you finally break it. Okay, so quickly I'm just going to get the flesh out from the shell. You can see how easy it is because of the technique. KETTLE. So you've learned something today. I hope so. So yeah, that is it. Coconut is ready, washed and ready. Okay, so we'll move back to the corn. So now, guys, I've washed the pear, so I'm just going to put it the way I soften my pear. I boil it. Some people just boil water, pour it, put the pear in the bowl and pour the water in it and allow it to stay for a while. But no, I don't do that. It gets so soft that I don't like it. So I like to cook it a little bit so that the skin kind of is kind of hard a little bit. So that's why I enjoy it. But the inside is still, soft and yummy. Yeah, so I'm just getting some out. You can see with the coconut that served. Then the next thing, I'll bring the remaining pear from the water so that it doesn't get so soft, like I said, that I don't like. So yeah, this is it, ready, yummy, and I'm just going to enjoy this now. Oh my God, there's no palm wine in this country. All the same, thank you for watching and see you guys in my next one. Bye.